Hi, this is our Web Consulting's video explaining how we worked with a client recently to optimize their on-site, or you can call it the internal site feature that they had. So if you're viewing this video on YouTube or another search video site like Vimeo or YouTube, please click through it and read our full blog post at ourwebconsulting.com. So what was unique about this client is that on their internal search engine, so basically when clients or when visitors came to their site and used the search feature directly on their site, I'll refer to as on-site search or internal search engine, a certain parameter appeared in the URL, and this parameter was different than if the actual search results were returned. So only when a no results found page came up was that parameter found in the URL. So how Google Analytics reports work, the search terms report, is it looks for a parameter in the URL, and that's how it captures the search term. So we set up a profile in Google Analytics, which we're looking at now, that just captured the keywords where no results were returned. So everything in this report returned basically, someone searched for here E5061C, and that resulted in a page cannot be found. What was kind of alarming to us when we first saw is that as we looked through this list, it was huge, and we were seeing hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of what I'll call these long tail keyword searches on model numbers or product numbers. And although that there was only one search per month on a lot of these, there were over 1,000 unique keyword searches that resulted in a no results found page. And over half of these were for products that they had a similar substitute for. So with this client, 3388 might be a competitor product model number that that they might not carry, but they might carry one very similar to that. But there was no way for the visitor on this site to know that, because they would go to the on-site search feature, search for 3388, see no results found, and then in more cases than not abandon their search, or even worse, abandon the site. So after working through this report with them, what we did is we identified these hundreds and hundreds, approximately I think it was about 700 for just one model or product numbers that they had similar products for, that they might not carry this product for 121 that is very common in the industry, maybe their leading competitor carries, but they might carry something that fulfills all the same requirements of that particular product number that their competitor might sell. And what we did then is optimize their on-site search, that when visitors, hopefully turning into customers, searched for these model or product numbers that previously through a page, no results found page, that the closest substitute, the closest product that the client offered would then show up instead of a no results found. We also ran on the no results found, put the live chat and a phone number as well to then try to capture additional sales instead of just saying no results found. So through our engagement with this client that works with us, we increased conversions across the board considerably immediately within the first month of implementing the on-site search changes. These were both soft conversions, so a lot of the traffic were then at least staying on the site longer. They were then clicking on requesting a quote or a phone chat, or then calling the client's sales number instead of abandoning the site. And then obviously, even both the soft versions were increased as a result of this change, and then final sales as well, because a lot of these customers that were abandoning the site before would then discover, wow, the site offers this similar product that fulfills all my requirements, and it's half the price than the other competitor. Great. If you have any questions or want us to take a look at your on-site search feature and how you might generate additional leads from it, please click through to our web consulting blog if you're not there already, or send me any questions via email or comments below. Thanks, and have a great day.